No gimmicks, no fluff, just real results. Health hacks that hit and body volts. Fuel your fire, feel the shift. Click subscribe and catch your lift.
What if you could burn fat just by eating more? Sounds wild, but it's backed by science. These 7 foods don't just support your health, they help your body torch fat naturally. And wait till you hear number 7. It might already be in your kitchen. Number 1. Eggs. They're loaded with protein and healthy fats, which keep you full and reduce cravings. Studies show people who eat eggs for breakfast lose more weight and stay satisfied longer. Bonus. They boost your metabolism for hours. Number 2. Green tea. It contains caffeine and catechins, 2 powerful compounds that increase fat burning, especially during workouts. Drinking just 2 to 3 cups a day can help you burn up to 100 extra calories. Number 3. Chili peppers. Spice up your fat loss. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which raises your body temperature and helps torch more calories, even when you're resting. It also reduces hunger by affecting appetite-regulating hormones. Studies have shown that people who eat chili peppers regularly consume fewer calories throughout the day and carry less belly fat. Plus, they add bold flavor without adding bulk to your meals. That's a fiery win for your waistline. Number 4. Avocados. They may be high in fat, but it's the heart-healthy kind. Monounsaturated fats that actually help burn belly fat. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which supports digestion, reduces bloating, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Number 5. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber that help stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support fat metabolism. Plus, they're low in calories, delicious, and easy to add to smoothies, yogurt, or even as a snack on their own. Number 6. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, protect your heart, and help your body burn stubborn fat, especially around the belly. These healthy fats improve insulin sensitivity and increase leptin, a hormone that helps regulate appetite and fat storage. Eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week can actually shift your body into fat-burning mode while keeping you full and energized. Delicious, satisfying, and powerful. Fatty fish are a fat-burning superfood. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Just 1 tablespoon a day can do wonders. It helps lower blood sugar, curb cravings, and accelerate fat loss, even if you don't change your diet. It also improves digestion and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Just remember, dilute it in water to protect your teeth and stomach. It's powerful stuff. Want to burn fat naturally, without crash diets or crazy workouts? These 7 science-backed foods can help you do exactly that, right from your own kitchen. They're simple, effective, and most importantly, they work with your body, not against it. So, which one of these powerful fat-burning foods do you already have at home? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to know. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs a health boost, and hit that subscribe button for more science-backed wellness tips, right here on Healithic. Your journey to better health starts now.